So in this video, I'm going to show a chiropractic adjustment on an 11-year-old, my son, who's been having some sinus issues. Chiropractic is great for that. I am super sweaty because I've just been working out, but please like and subscribe our channel. Subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and make sure you like this video and watch all the way to the end, and we'll have some other goodies there for you. So Josh has been stuffy for a bit, so we are going to adjust him. You can't see, but he's got a short left leg, which just could be the way he's sitting. So we'll check it out again. Yep, it straightens out. So I've been adjusting him about every day since we got this table, which makes things a lot easier. It's good for him. He has a pretty significant scoliosis, so he just needs, you want to put your arms down? So he needs more adjusting. Yeah, so we had about, cavitation is that noise that you heard. We had about 6 joints that were restricted. So he's been coughing too a lot lately. Good, and breathe out. Good. And even just to get some movement, I don't even need to thrust, but we just got some movement in. And he's my family member who will actually ask for adjustments because I think he's pretty in tune with his body. This shoulder needs some muscle work more than anything. So our massager thing is packed, but sometime today or tomorrow I'll make sure to do the massaging right in here because muscles can pull the joints out of restriction too. Okay, check his low back. This thoracic lumbar, and I just worked out, that's what I look like. Poop and sweaty. It's good, needs a little bit of movement in there. In this joint. Okay, so come up on your side, Josh, turn towards the camera. Oh, hi. Okay. All right, face the wall. Turn towards me this way. Like on your side.
How about face the camera?
Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay, look up. Good.
Oh.
You okay? There we go. We got a little bit of movement in there. Too, if my family members stretched more, let's stretch you on this way. Turn towards this way. If they stretched more, it would be better too because they all have pretty tight legs. Oh, there we go. This is really good for digestion, making sure your low back is adjusted. Your head. Joshua wears his shoulders as earrings, so we have to practice that too. He's working our posture. With sinus issues and stuff like that too, anything, he doesn't like it, but I teach an ear technique. I have a video on YouTube with this. And it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up. Since we're going to be getting on an airplane, it's really important to have the ears open. It's really important to get a chiropractic adjustment if you can before a flight. And my daughter will let me adjust her too. Adjusted my husband the other day. And I'm just feeling the joints. Are they moving? Are they restricted? Is there any tight muscles? But really this area back here is so important to keep that nice and moving, but also the muscles because that can cause a lot of the sinus pressure. I think you're good, buddy. Let's just stretch. Stretch. Hey, no, don't move. Good. Okay, maybe one little guy. So this is a different kind of adjustment. I go over the neck. Relax. Nobody. Okay, bend your knees. Bend your knees. Can I do this?
Okay, this is the last thing, right?
Yes, and then I'll touch your sinuses.
And then it's over.
It's over. 1, 2. Okay. Yeah, he didn't. If they fight it, it's harder. Oh, if I have my activator too, I could just go in there. Okay, I promised. Okay, sinuses. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, you're done. And that's it. That is a chiropractic adjustment. Let them sit with that for a little bit. They can sit up slow and let their body and their nervous system reset.